In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. Let's get started. Open the Snapchat app. You will find yourself on the homepage of the app. Tap on the profile icon. It's represented by a symbol of a person. This action will take you to your Snapchat profile section. Here you will find your Bitmoji. You can customize your Bitmoji's outfit by tapping on it, but your focus today is on removing it. Tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear symbol. This will take you to the settings section of your Snapchat app. Scroll down to the support section. It's crucial to follow this tutorial step by step to avoid any mistakes. Under the support section, tap on I need help. Wait for the page to finish loading. You will now be in the Snapchat Support Center. Type Bitmoji in the search bar. From the options provided, look for one named How to Remove Bitmoji. If you can't find it, don't worry, I'll show you where to locate it. Return to the settings section of the Snapchat app just as I've done here. Scroll down and look for an option named Bitmoji. Tap on it. On this page you will see three options: changing your outfit, editing your Bitmoji, and choosing a selfie for replace your Bitmoji. Since our goal is to remove the Bitmoji, tap on the option labeled Remove Bitmoji. A section will appear informing you that this action will result in losing your Bitmoji and the outfit in your closet. Confirm by tapping on Remove. Your Bitmoji has now been successfully removed from Snapchat. And that is how you remove Bitmoji from Snapchat.